It was such a problem for me for so many years. I would always be home and I would have no idea what to do. But that was like a secret gift to me because I realized I had so much free time. I can literally do whatever I want. I could learn something. I could learn some new topic on some new thing. Spend hours doing that. I can learn to play an instrument. I can explore what's around me. Anything that I time wasn't stopping me, basically. It's like I would do anything but be bored and read a book, but I became so bored and I liked learning the things that I was learning, so I actually wanted to read some books. For me, anything was more interesting than just doing nothing and scrolling on my phone. Because the way I thought about it is, I'm just going to forget what I was watching on my phone, what I was scrolling on, but I wouldn't forget what I learned, or I wouldn't forget how to play the piano. I've gotten so much more time to think about things, plan things, write things down that I wanted to do. I even sometimes used ChatGPT to get more ideas on what I could do. Just list 100 things I can do besides go on my phone. And I've actually gotten some ideas from that too. I've been able to try the guitar, play the piano, which is something I really like doing, going outside a lot more, trying more sports, being more active, going on runs, sitting outside right now making these videos has given me so much more better things to do. Where not only don't feel bored anymore, but I'm actually doing things to feel better in my life. So what I thought was, I'm bored. I have so much time. Let me not waste this time and try doing something. I know it might be easier said than done, but I really just thought about my future, what I can achieve and what I know I can achieve. And then just thinking, what will I have to do, or at least try to do, to get there? That option, whether it's just making videos right now, not only is it interesting, I'm not bored, and it's actually kind of working, but it solves my problem anyways of being bored. I have something to do, I have something to work on, something to wake up for. Now that I don't have to watch hours of YouTube videos, scroll all the time, be on my phone, I felt like my life has a lot more meaning. It made me a lot mentally stronger to do harder things that I never thought I would have been able to do years ago. So go out, try something new. Try that thing you've kind of been giving a reason why you couldn't do, but that reason is just an excuse and fancy clothes. Time or money never stops someone who truly wanted to do something, and you have all the time. Make your future self extremely happy that you were bored because you did X, Y, and Z. Imagine coming home and having some little shed to build in your backyard, and then, oh, it's raining, it's dark, let me play the guitar. Oh, I can actually go out with one of my friends and go skateboarding. You know, if you have all those interesting little things, you start learning, getting better, not being bored. Hope you can think about this and not just forget about this, watch another video, continue to be bored. Think about this, please.